Yup, you read that right. $255 million selling pretty much a single product. In this video, I'm going to uncover exactly how this brand has been able to do this on Shopify so that you can take inspiration from it, whether it be copying the layout of the Shopify store, the website, the idea. Maybe it's the first time you're thinking about starting your business. In today's video, I'm going to simplify it for you. So let's just get right into it. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about the pizza oven company called Uni, and they reported $255 million in 2021, which is actually insane if you think about it. Now, what pizza oven do they sell? This one right here. It's $400 and it looks awesome, right? I mean, it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple product and they've just created an entire business out of it. Now, this website is a Shopify store. Back in November, they drove almost 3 million monthly visitors to this. And again, their products are like $400, so you can imagine how much money they made from this. Take a look at the pizza oven search trend, because this is actually a powerful example of how you can create a business in a niche with a ton of demand. So this is a great idea when it comes to building your business. And again, I want you guys to think more abstract, right? I interview a lot of the top entrepreneurs in the world, and I can tell you from firsthand and from building my own businesses, it's much easier to build a business with a niche that is continuously growing, especially because you can create an audience out of it. Even for example, what I'm doing here, I talk a lot about Shopify, and that's a very booming niche still. So it's been easier to garner attention because of obviously the results that I've gotten over my career, but also because there's a ton of people constantly learning about Shopify and constantly wanting to start a new business. So I'm telling you, after you start watching my channel a lot, you'll start seeing these opportunities everywhere. And I'm pretty sure you probably will never be able to just look at a normal product normally ever again. You'll always be thinking about the business behind it. And let me show you on Alibaba, for example. I looked up pizza oven, which was a very simple search query, and right away I'm seeing a lot of really cool ones with very low minimum order quantities. So this one, for example, you can order 2 at a time, and it looks awesome. I mean, it looks quite similar to the one that we're reviewing from Uni. I hope that they don't have some sort of patent on it, but that's besides the point, right? As you see, there's just a ton of different ones that you could potentially sell. And again, try to think a little more abstract, right? You don't obviously have to sell this, but I'm trying to show you the framework of how you can think about starting a business so that it's less overwhelming. A lot of people try to overthink this too much and just never get started. The other day I was streaming and somebody in the chat said, Arie, I've been learning about e-com for 2 years, but I haven't started yet. I'm too scared to actually get started. And I thought that was wild because from my personal anecdotal experience, the first day that I found out about Shopify and e-commerce was also the first day that I started my store. So please, guys, just get started. If you see an idea, if you see anything that piques your interest or your curiosity, there's never been a better time to start a business. And here's why. Even though there's a ton of competition, that's true, it's not the easiest time to start a business. It's just the least risky because you don't really have to invest a lot of money up front. Shopify is super affordable, especially if you use the link in the description. It's $1 a month. And then ordering a product from Amazon or from Alibaba, just a single unit, is not going to run you a lot of money. And then you can simply start posting organically on TikTok and then repurposing that content on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, on Pinterest, on YouTube Shorts, and really start building a brand out of nothing, out of thin air. It's super cool what you can do nowadays. So yeah, just a real quick example that I wanted to share with you. Make sure that you copy some of these ideas down. Again, the landing page is beautiful here. It just kind of exemplifies what a high converting landing page on Shopify should be like. They show you what you're getting right away. They show you some of the technical features, a lot of the benefits of it. And obviously they've been building this brand for a while, so don't expect to just, have all these community assets and reviews right away, of course. But this is what you can get to if you just consistently push the same brand. I wish I would have done that. I wish somebody would have told me back when I got started in e-commerce to just focus down on one business. I was always hopping around from one store to the other. Yeah, I've gotten to 6 figures a month with a store doing that, but I feel like we could have pushed it way further had I just stuck to one thing. So I'm trying to have you learn from my mistakes as well. That's about it though. Just wanted to share this real quick with you. Make sure you guys subscribe. We got some more interviews coming soon, some streams, a lot of fun stuff, a lot of learning. And yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video.